Welcome back to 2 Minute Tuesday and another Quick Takes with Kate on all things writing in under 2 minutes. Today's topic might be one of the most emotionally charged issues online, with The Atlantic, The Washington Post, Slate, and other sources joining the outcry, which is what you might expect with a period drama. But as much as you might enjoy a period drama such as Poldark, Outlander, and The Crown, we're not talking about a historical period, but about a sentence period. So what's the drama? It's about how many spaces should come after it, 1 or 2. Very simply, the answer is 1. Or, as a Slate article puts it not so simply, typing 2 spaces after a period is totally, completely, utterly, and inarguably wrong. Who says? Typographers do, the people who study and design the typewritten word. They have been using 1 space for publication since early 1900s. And then came the typewriter, and with it, monospace font, which created wide, loose spaces between characters. The extra space after the period made the text easier to read. But today, nearly every font on our computer is proportional, so there is no need for an extra space after the period. If you use 2 spaces, typographers will have to delete them. Although it took me a good year to break myself of the 2 spaces habit, the time I've saved by using only 1 space has added seconds to my life, and those seconds have turned into days and weeks, and why, I've gained a whole period of my life back. So, unless you are typing on an actual typewriter, you no longer have to put 2 spaces after the period, the question mark, or an exclamation point. The rule applies to all end punctuation. So the next time someone says to you, "Hey, what's your favorite period drama?" just tell them 1 space. For the rest of the story, go to Touryan.com/QuickTakes and check back next week for another Quick Take with Kate.